Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Dare to Create with Dare the Creator. And in this video, I'll show you how to create a 3D sphere in Photoshop. So without wasting much of our time, I plan to keep this short and sweet, so let's get to it. So first thing I'll do is to open up my Photoshop, obviously, and then I'll set my parameters. For this, I like to make this inches, and then I'll set this as 5 and 5. So I'm using 5 by 5. Next thing I'll do is to go to the view panel to create a new guide layout. Good. Change all the values we have in the box. We'll make everything 0. All these values, we'll make it 0. And then the next thing I want to do is to activate the row and then make the numbers of row 30. I think that works. Alright, so you can see it and we're good. Hit OK. Oh, as you can see, we have these 2 roller guides at the edges. They made it into the cut. I don't know why, but I'll just take it out. And now we'll create the thick lines, or should I say black stripes, with a rectangle shape too. And we can count on the ruler guide to guide us in fitting this perfectly in the parameters we have set here. All right. Just make it fit perfectly. Oh, that's it. Just like that. All right. Good. Now let's duplicate once again, Ctrl J, and you can hit Command J if you're on a Mac system. I'm using a PC. Alright, so we're gonna duplicate this all the way down. So, and you know, leave a space again and then duplicate, and that's it. So we'll repeat this all the way down until the stripe pattern is set. All right, this is good. Now we'll take out the ruler guide. We just go to view and clear ruler guide. Now you can see the black and white pattern is good. And now let's merge this together. We'll select all the layers and just merge the shape. And now this is my favorite part, and we'll go to the 3D panel. We click on new mesh from layer, and then we click on mesh presets and pick sphere. Now look at that, our beautiful ball or sphere is formed, and there's quite a lot you can do with this. I mean, you can move it around in 3D space, and I don't intend to do much with this because of the style of art that I intend to create with it, but I'll just like to tilt this round, yeah, like that. I think somewhere here is fine for me, and then I'd like to take out the shadows. How about we take out the shadows? Yeah. Yeah, so this is perfect. This looks good for me. 2 things. I can render or I can rasterize it. If I rasterize it, you can see that's the ball here. Obviously, if I render, I'll get a better quality, but rasterizing it also works for me. So you can go ahead and render if you want to. This might take some time depending on how fast your system is. That's your computer, and this took a while. It took a minute, but once the render is done, we're good. And for you wondering why you need to create a ball, it depends on whatever you need to use it for. For this, I used it in creating this pop artwork, and you know, you can also change the pattern of the ball. You can also create other shapes in Photoshop as 3D shapes, so it depends on what you want. So if this was interesting for you, if you found this interesting, please give me a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on other contents. And moving on, if you want me to show you how I created this artwork, you just put that in the comment section, let me know. And that's it guys, hope you found this interesting. Don't forget, always dare to create. See you in the next video. Peace.